Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal for transaction data step by step clearly. To begin using PayPal for transaction data, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Activity tab. This section displays all your transactions in chronological order. To filter your transactions, use the date range options at the top of the page. Select the specific dates you want to review for accurate data. After selecting your preferred date range, click on the Apply button. Your transaction history will now update according to your chosen dates. To view detailed information about a specific transaction, click on the transaction itself. A new window will open showing all relevant details including buyer information and item purchased. If you need to download the transaction data, look for the Statements option. Click on Statements to find the option for Custom Statements. Set the date range again in the Custom Statements section for your download. Once set, select the file format you prefer, such as CSV or PDF. After choosing the file format, click on Create Report. Your report will be generated, and a download link will be provided. Click on the link to download your transaction data report to your device. For more advanced users, you can also access the API for automated data retrieval. Navigate to the Developers section at the bottom of the PayPal website. Here, you can find documentation on integrating PayPal's API with your own systems. Follow the setup instructions carefully to link your applications to your PayPal account. Using these steps, you can efficiently manage and analyze your transaction data using PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.